Welcome to One Question at a Time, the TSI series. Question number 40. X to the power of 4 minus 13x squared plus 36 equal. The hint is factor the polynomials, look for factors of 36 and that add to negative 13. So we can kind of answer for these questions from step number 1 toward the end, or we can just eliminate the answer from the answer choices. Okay, so let's do this. I will solve it from the beginning. So we'll have x to the power of 4 minus 13x squared plus 36. Okay. And to start, I will write down a formula. Okay. So we have something look like this. We have something saying a squared minus b squared that is equal to a minus b times a plus b. Okay. So for this one, if I call u is x squared, then I have u squared is x to the power of 4. Okay. Because x squared all squared, that's become x 2 times 2, that is x to the power of 4. Okay. If I rewrite this one, I will write down as u squared minus 13u plus 36. Why I do this? Because this one, I have my high degree is 4. Okay. My higher degree is 4. Okay. Now I reduce by calling u equal x squared. Now I reduce the higher degree in this case now is 2, which is quadratic. Okay. Now I apply the AC method. Remember we have ax squared plus bx plus c, that is how quadratic look, and we need the AC method by finding two numbers is multiply equal a times c, which is in this case my u is nothing in the front mean 1. Okay, so a is equal 1, b is equal negative 13. Okay, so right here in front of the x is b, and the last number is c, is 36. That's why you will see they say factors of 36. Okay, so that is mean the product of the two numbers will be 36, because 30, this is 1 times 36 is 36, and that two numbers add up to b, which is negative 13. Okay, so now I can list out all of the possible outcome, right? So I can have 1 times 36, I can have 2 times 18, I can have 3 times 12, I can have 4 times 9, I can have 6 times 6. Okay, and also you see the sum of two numbers is negative and the product of two numbers is positive. Okay, this is positive. So remember, we have same side. Same side will like positive times positive or negative times negative, that both negative or both positive produce positive. And if we have the opposite side, which is we have positive with the negative or the negative with the positive, it produce negative. Okay, so in this case, if you have two numbers have the same sign because their product is positive, the sum of two numbers is negative, so it means that two numbers have to be both negative. So I will add the negative for all of the possible outcome here. We have -2, -18, -3, -12, -4, -9, -6, and -6. Okay, so now you choose which one is gives you the add up to -13. This one is too far away. This one too far away. This one too far away, right? This one is 12. -12 is not, right? So the one you have add up to -13 is -4 at -9. So I write down -4 here, -4 here. I have -9 here, -9 here. That is matching. So I will know when A is equal 1, I just rewrite it at U, okay, -4, my first number I find, and then I have U -9, my second one. Now, because we call U, so U is not in the answer choices, we have to rewrite it, okay? So now we have U is x squared as we calling at first. I should rewrite one more time. Replace U with x squared, okay? Now remember the formula I use up here. I just write it down here to remind you about that. So we have here is x squared minus 4 is 2 squared, and then I have x squared minus 9 is 3 squared. Okay, now just plug in the formula I will have. My first one is x minus 2 times x plus 2. Okay, my A in this case is my x. A is x, okay, and then we have B is 2. Okay, so we have this one and this one. Here is my A. Did you see that? A squared minus B squared. Alright, so my next one will be another case. Okay, so I have another A and B. So it will be x minus 3 times x plus 3. And this one is C. C is the right answer, correct answer. Okay, so this is we go straightforward from step 1 to final. However, we can solve these questions quicker without doing those steps. First of all, we have to check the factor to 36, right? So look at this. The number 2 squared is negative 4 right here, it's positive 4 right here, right? And then we have right here is you have positive 9 right here. Okay, so this one is kind of confusing. We could not like try to kind of like eliminate it, but we can, so we leave it. Now for B, look at this. If you distribute this 4 and 9, you got a positive 36, right? But see that also when you distribute this one, it make it positive 13. It's not negative. So all of the numbers here is positive. You cannot produce any negative right here. Okay, so B you can eliminate. Okay, so this one, because you make positive 13x squared. instead of the negative 13x squared. Alright, so that's why you eliminate. D is you have negative 4 times positive 9, that make it negative 36. While in the question is it positive 36, so you eliminate D as well. Now we left with A and C, and if you remember the formulas, you can rewrite C at x minus 2. Okay, this is C times x plus 2, x minus 3 times x plus 3. So if I have to do this distributions, it will become something x squared, okay, minus 4x plus 4, okay, times x squared minus 6x plus 9, and then I need to distribute each of the term to the next factor. Okay, this one will produce 9 term total, so it takes a lot of time and effort to do it. So instead of doing A, I'm doing C first. Okay, because I see C have something look like my formula. I have my A minus B, my A plus B. Okay, so that one is my A squared minus B squared. Okay, then I have another A minus B, A plus B right here. So I have another A squared minus B squared right here. Now just kind of plug it in, right? So my A in the first one is x squared minus B squared is 2 squared. 2 squared is 4. Okay, like that. And then I will have my second one is x squared minus 3 squared, which is 9. Okay, this one is 3 squared is 9. Okay, this one 2 squared is 4. Okay, so now I have this, and then I just kind of for it and easy, I will have x squared times x squared, that x to the power 4, x squared to the negative 9 minus 9x squared. Negative 4 times x squared is minus 4x squared. And then I have negative 4 times negative 9 is positive 36. And I simplify it, I have x to the power 4 minus 13x squared plus 36. Then I'm done. Okay? Because this one is the given. So after I rewrite it, I know this choice C is the same thing as the given expression. So I will choose C as the right answer. Which is we go backwards from this. See that? From this one we go backwards. Okay. Go forwards, you take more time and effort. Go backwards is easier. But anyway, you can use both because not all of the questions you can go backwards like this. So making sure you know how to go forwards. Thank you for participating in this series and see you next time.